Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve this hyperbola problem. As per the problem, identify the conic and find its foci and vertices. We are given the equation x squared equals y squared plus 1. In order to identify the conic section for this equation, we should move the y squared term to the left side of the equation. So we get x squared minus y squared equals 1. In this equation, the square is on both x and y. That means this equation does not represent a parabola. The coefficient of the x squared term is 1. There is an invisible 1 with x squared. The coefficient of the y squared term is negative 1. Since these two coefficients have opposite signs, one is positive, the other is negative, that means this equation represents a hyperbola. This is an important concept we need to understand and memorize. Now we can analyze this equation to find the foci and vertices of this hyperbola. For that, we should write the equation of the hyperbola in standard form. In this equation, the coefficient of the y squared term is negative. That means the curves of the hyperbola are side by side. One of the curves opens to the left side and the other one opens to the right side. The general equation of a hyperbola in standard form, whose curves are side by side, is x minus h squared over a squared minus y minus k squared over b squared equals 1. We can write the given equation in standard form as x minus 0 squared over 1 squared, because x minus 0 is x and 1 squared is equal to 1 and division by 1 doesn't change anything, and then y minus 0 squared over 1 squared equals 1. If we compare this equation with the general equation, we can conclude that h is equal to 0, k is equal to 0, a square is equal to 1 square, and b square is equal to 1 square. We can find the values of a and b by applying square root to both sides. So we'll get a equals 1 and b equals 1. Now we can find the foci of this hyperbola. Foci of a hyperbola whose curves are side by side are h plus minus c, comma k. We can find the value of c from the equation c squared equals a squared plus b squared. A squared is equal to 1, b squared is equal to 1. We can apply square root to both sides. I get c equals square root of 2. The value of c is always positive. Now we can use the values of h, c and k to find the foci. So the two foci are square root 2 comma 0 and minus square root 2 comma 0. Next we can find the vertices of this hyperbola. For a hyperbola whose curves are side by side, the vertices are h plus minus a, comma k. We can sub in the values. H is 0, a is 1, k is 0. So the two vertices are 1 comma 0 and -1, 0. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve this problem. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.